Hi, welcome back to Codania's accounting model. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to create your own journal entry. In order to create your first entry, you will need to click on the Create Entry button or by using the keyboard shortcut by pressing on Alt and N keys at the same time. You will now need to fill out the displayed pop-up form on your screen. Assign a date to your journal entry by clicking on the date field and selecting your entry date. Next, if you want, you can enter a description on the journal entry you are about to create for future references. Then you will need to add journal entry lines to create your entry. You can do that by clicking on the Add Entry Line button or by using the keyboard shortcut by pressing on the Alt and C keys at the same time. As we can now see, we have just added our first journal entry line. We are going to add a second line to record our credit entry. Now you need to assign a parent account to each line. For example, in this journal line, we are going to search for and select assets. Now we can select our account field. For this example, we are going to search and select cash. You will now need to enter the debit amount that you would like to record and leave the credit field unchanged. Now all you need to do is assign the currency for this line. For this example, we are going to search for and select the US dollar. For the second line, we are going to repeat the same process as the first line, but select different accounts for the credit entry line. For this example, we are going to be selecting equity for the parent account and assigning common stock for the account field. Now all we need to do is change the credit amount and leave the debit field unchanged. You are now ready to save your first journal entry. You can do that by clicking on the Create Entry button or by using the keyboard shortcut by pressing on Alt and S keys at the same time. As you can now see, after saving your entry, your assets and equity amounts have increased accordingly, as well as your journal entry has been recorded to the table. Now let's generate a balance sheet report and check our changes. Now you can see that the cash and total assets have increased by the amount we have just entered in our journal entry. And accordingly, our equity has increased as well. For a more detailed explanation on the balance sheet report, you can click on the pop-up video displayed in the right-hand corner.